Welcome to the demo of the Baseball Card Collector app. To start things off, before you can use the Baseball Card Collector app, you must log in with a verified username and password combination. This username and password has to have been pre-registered with the Firebase in order to allow you to log in. If you attempt to log in with a username and password combination that have not been registered with Firebase, you'll be unable to log in and will be asked to go to the registration page in order to create a new account. When you create a new account, it will be registered with Firebase so that you have authentication and only you with your unique username and password combination can access your data. Once you've signed in, you will be able to access your collection and your wish list and add new cards to these collections. A new card can be given any image that you could take with your phone, as well as being named and filling out any other relevant fields within the card, such as team, date acquired, role, etc. You must fill out every field in a card before you can completely create it. Otherwise, the app will not allow you to finish creating the card. Once all the fields are complete, the card can be saved to the database and will then be available to view in your collection at any time. You can also edit cards that have been saved to your collection and change and adjust any field that may need to be updated before saving the card once again. Furthermore, cards can be deleted from the collections and wish list entirely if you no longer want them or have them in your collection. Wishlist operates in a very similar manner to that of collections. You can add, edit, delete, and view details of any card in the wish list. Additionally, in both collection and wish list, you can sort the cards by name, by date, by team, and even by the value of the card. All of these sorting mechanisms rely on the Firebase system and recall the database, so you must be connected to the internet for them to work. Baseball Card Collector app also allows you to view your user profile. Here you can choose a new user profile image and view the cumulative value, number of cards in your collection, and the number of cards in your wish list for your account. You can also log out of your account if there are multiple people using the same device, and then log in to a different, already registered account, or even register an additional account to this device. In addition to being able to store your own personal data, Baseball Card Collector app allows you to interact with other users. You can view other users' collections and sort them by the same values that you would be able to sort your own collections. You can even look at detailed views of the cards within a user's collection to get a better idea of what you might want to trade with that user. Furthermore, you can also view another user's wish list so that you can see what cards they might want to receive from you. All of the wish list functions, including card sorting and the detailed view, work similarly to that of collections. Once you've looked at a user's cards, you can live chat with them to see whether or not they'd be interested in a trade that you might propose. The chats are real time, so you can get quick feedback from another user. After chatting, it's time to set up a trade. Select the user that you would like to trade with, and then select the card that you wish to send to them, as well as what card you want to receive from their collection. The trade will then be sent to the user, who must make a decision on its value. Once they receive the trade, they can choose to either accept the trade or to reject the trade. Either way, the trade will be finalized once they give their input. While the trade is still pending, the receiving user can look at either card's details so that they can see whether or not they believe the trade to be a fair value. If the trade is accepted, the cards will be swapped between the two users and deleted from their original accounts. Finally, while a trade is ongoing, neither user can manipulate a card that is involved in the trade, so that the trade remains fair throughout the entire transaction.